You know that feeling when your check engine light comes on and you're staring down a potential $200 diagnostic fee at the shop? Yeah, it sucks. But what if I told you that you could diagnose your car yourself with a tool that costs less than a full tank of gas? I've tested 5 different Creader OBD2 scanners, and in this video, I'm breaking down which one actually deserves to be in your garage. Let's dive in. Number 1, LAUNCH Creader VII Plus V2.0 OBD2 scanner. This is the scanner that changed the game for me. The Creader VII Plus isn't just another OBD2 reader. It's actually capable of diagnosing your transmission, your ABS system, and your airbags all in one device. That's something most scanners at this price point simply cannot do. Here's what makes it special. You get access to all 10 OBD2 test modes, which means you can dig deep into exactly what's happening with your engine. But the real kicker, the transmission diagnostics. You can actually read your transmission temperature in real time. Think about that for a second. Most mechanics don't even have that capability without dropping thousands on professional equipment. This scanner gives it to you. The display is crisp, a 4-inch TFT color screen that makes reading data a breeze. Navigation feels natural, and the button layout doesn't require a PhD to figure out. You've got over 10,000 diagnostic trouble codes built right in, so you're not sitting there guessing what P00400 means. The VII Plus works on over 10,000 vehicles across American, Japanese, and European brands. Whether you're driving a Ford, a BMW, a Toyota, or Chrysler, this thing has got you covered. And here's something you shouldn't overlook. The updates are completely free for life. No subscriptions, no hidden charges. You buy it once, and you're done. Check the description box for the direct Amazon link where you can grab this at a solid price with Prime shipping. Number 2, LAUNCH CR529 OBD2 scanner. If the VII Plus is the professional, the CR529 is the smart choice for someone who wants real power without overthinking it. This one's consistently rated as Amazon's choice, and there's a reason for that. It works, and it doesn't mess around. The CR529 handles all 10 OBD2 test modes, just like the VII Plus, but it focuses on what matters most for you as an everyday driver: engine diagnostics, emissions testing, and O2 sensor monitoring. The display is a bright 2.8-inch color screen. Smaller than the VII Plus? Sure. But honestly, the image quality is surprisingly good, and everything is still readable in bright sunlight. What I really like about the scanner is how it displays your data. You get both text and graphing capabilities, which sounds like a small detail until you're actually trying to figure out if a sensor is acting weird. When you see it graphed out, patterns become obvious. Dead sensor? You'll see it immediately. That's the kind of information that saves you money at the shop. The CR529 comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which honestly tells you everything about how confident LAUNCH is in this product. Plus, you get 1 year of free support and 5 years of technical warranty. The database has 10,000+ diagnostic codes, and updates happen through one-click software updates. No complicated computer connections required. Link is in the description. Seriously, at this price point with these capabilities, it's hard to beat. Number 3, LAUNCH Creader Elite OBD2 scanner. Now we're getting into territory where you want something really tailored to your specific vehicle. The Elite scanners come in brand-specific versions. We're talking specialized versions for BMW and Mercedes, Toyota and Lexus, or GM vehicles. This is where things get interesting. The Elite scanners are basically what the dealership uses, but in your hands. We're talking OE-level diagnostics here. That's original equipment manufacturer level, which means you get the same diagnostic power that dealership technicians are charging you $300 for a half-hour scan. Let's break down what makes these special. First, you've got full bidirectional control. That means you're not just reading codes, you can actually command your vehicle to perform specific functions. Need to bleed your ABS system? Check. Adjust your electronic parking brake? Absolutely. Reset your oil service reminder? Done. We're talking 8 or more service reset functions depending on your vehicle. Here's the really exciting part for 2025, ECU coding. This is brand new functionality that lets you customize vehicle settings. BMW owners, you can enable auto folding mirrors, customize seatbelt warnings, or even retrofit certain lighting functions. Number 4, LAUNCH Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner. Sometimes you don't need everything. Sometimes you just need something that works reliably and gets the job done without all the bells and whistles. That's the Creader 3001. This is the gateway to OBD2 diagnostics. If you've never used a scanner before, this is an incredible starting point. It reads engine codes fast. We're talking under 30 seconds. Plug it in, and you've got your diagnostic trouble codes displayed right there. No waiting around. The 3001 still supports all 10 OBD2 test modes and can display around 40 data parameters. That might sound limited compared to some of the other scanners, but here's the reality. 40 parameters cover pretty much everything you need to diagnose 95% of engine problems. Live data streams display in under 20 seconds, which is impressive for a scanner in this price range. The device pulls power straight from your OBD2 port, so there's no battery to worry about charging. Plug and play, literally. The one thing worth noting is that the 3001 is engine-only focused. It won't scan your ABS, transmission, or airbag systems. For some people, that's a limitation, but honestly, if you're just trying to avoid a surprise trip to the dealership for a check engine light, this does exactly what you need. Number 5, LAUNCH Creader VIII OBD2 scanner. The Creader VIII sits right in the middle of the road, and for a lot of people, that's exactly where you want to be. It's got more capability than the 3001, it's more affordable than the VII+, and it hits a sweet spot that makes it perfect for small repair shops and serious DIY mechanics. This thing handles 4 systems diagnostics. Your engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems are all fair game. You're getting multi-system scanning without the premium price tag of the top-tier models. The text and graph display options are both available, so you can visualize your data however works best for you. The device handles vehicles from 1996 forward, which covers pretty much every car on the road. It works with American, Asian, and European vehicles, so your coverage is broad. The 3 service reset functions, oil reset, steering angle sensor reset, and electronic parking brake reset, handle the most common maintenance reminders and safety system resets you actually need. 5-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and free updates across the board. This is the scanner that smart mechanics have been recommending for years. Check the description for the link to grab one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.